racing our DRM cars tonight on Salzbergring. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello race fans, welcome back to another exciting 1981 DRM Race League with our slot cars. And tonight we're going to be racing at the Salzbergring. But before we do that, make sure to like, subscribe, and share our videos with all your friends out there in slot car land. And I've also been reading your comments from the last race leagues. And of course you've all been saying that my moving the camera around is making everybody seasick and the screen is a little too much to take. So tonight I have filmed it a little differently, more like the real races. We got something new for you to see. So without further ado, let's go down to the races.
Kevin, you're coming around here.
Are you looking for great cars and track? See what we have at www.monster-hobbies.ca. Link below.
We start over. Almost perfectly together. 41563. Wow. 41561. Yeah. 4561. Now, oh, beyond the road. Oh, this one's right there. 4651. play without pressure. Oh, that cost me 4516. Go right here. Right here. Oh, that can go. 61, 4516. Holy cow, it did. Dude, put me in. Somebody. Oh, put me in. 4561. 64 laps.
Here we are once again looking at our great scoreboard, and I have 18 points from the night. Glenn, Daryl, and Mark could not make it. Kevin has 38 points. Howard got 23. Eric couldn't make it. Dale got 50, and Josh was ahead of the game with 63 points. And here's the standings after that race. I'm in 6th place with 148. Glenn is in 7th with 113. Daryl is in 8th place with 57 points. Mark is in 5th with 150. Kevin is in 2nd with 296. Howard is in 3rd place with 240. Josh is in 1st with an amazing 323. Eric is in 9th with 55, and Dale is in 4th place with 158. Well, race fans, I really hope you enjoyed watching us zip around the track with our DRM cars from 1981 and checking out who's winning in the league and who's falling behind. And if you liked watching these great videos, again, I'll remind you to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends and family, and click that notification bell so every time I make another video, you are the first ones to know about it. Now, next week is going to be our last race in the league because the following Wednesday night is Halloween, and I need to take my daughters out trick-or-treating. And I don't want to be driving slot cars on Halloween night and then trying to drive back home, you know, for Halloween. That never works. So, there's another thing you guys can check out, which is really cool. If you are really interested in learning how to build this track in your own space, then go down to our Patreon page where we're going to have a showing of how to build this track, hosted by yours truly. You will learn all the secrets you ever wanted to know about building slot car race tracks, particularly this track, using your 4-lane Carrera digital track. And Trackety Track Track, I will be teaching you all about the track, so you don't want to miss that. Go over to our Patreon account. The link is down below. You will enjoy it. You will also have to become a Patreon member. So go over and see what that's all like. And until next time, we will see you back here for our last race in our DRM Race League.